So I just bought this. I bought this durian from your man over there. He fell off the back of a bike. So this is durian, but I can't. You can't take it back to the. You can't take it to the hotel room because it smells so bad. But the taste is pretty good. Once you get over the initial shock of the smell. Got a big seed in it. A big durian seed. Oh yeah. That's pretty good, you know. I mean, durian's not. This was 16 ringgit, so it's not the cheapest fruit, but you know, Nico's like Nico has to try everything. I try most things. I mean, look at it. It's all mushy. That is, look. My fingers are gonna sting. I'm sitting here eating this durian, stinking at Georgetown. Not impressed. To be fair, it just fucking stink. Jesus. But it's not too bad once you're actually eating it. When you're eating it, it's pretty decent, to be honest. There you go, there's quite a bit there for 16 ringgit. I need a spoon. It's like, this is a bit mushy, this is, to be honest. Oh yeah. Durian. Your friend Nico eats anything. Durian. Crickets. Silkworms. I think that'll do. Silkworms. Cicadas. Scorpions. I'll have a bosh on anything. Why not? Why not, man? If it's good enough for Malaysian people and other people in Southeast Asia, it's good enough for Nico. They can eat it. I can eat it. Supermarket there, look. We're just being in this place, Happy Mart. The guy looked like he was going to commit suicide. He didn't look happy at all. Not looking like a happy guy at all. You should call it Miserable Mart. Moody Bastard Mart. Moody Bastard Mart. I'm just going down to get some beers from the Moody Bastard Mart. Miserable Mart. I'm not joking, this place is called Happy Mart. Look. See it up there. Happy Mart. Happy Mart. Fucking liars. They're not happy in there at all. Miserable. Fucking liars. Happy Mart. Oh god, I wish I'd have filmed that. I'm going in there, Happy Mart. Jesus Christ. Right, I want to sign off again from another vlog, another short vlog. I feel like I've been doing vlogs in my sleep. I've been doing that many vlogs, and I'm only new to YouTube, so I'm gonna call a taxi now, get back, and probably get Reese a Taco Bell, because he's been dreaming about them for ages now.
Taco Bell boy. You want Taco Bell? Do you want taco from the bell?
Right, see you all later from Georgetown, Penang. See you later. Ta-ta.